welcome to another day in the life vlog. Today I'm getting my hair done. It has been this brownish, reddish situation for quite some time now. This is pretty much like my natural hair color, and we're gonna do something different, okay? First, I need to get my kids to school. They're eating breakfast, they're finishing sentences for their homework, last minute. Are we dressed?
Yeah.
So cute with the belt, very cute. And sister did your hair. Thank you, sister.
Yeah.
It's so cute. And we got another little slick back bun here. And they've been using all their little clips that they got in their stocking from Christmas. Okay, finish up that sentence. Come on, come in the car. Let's go.
Here.
Scoot over, put your seatbelt on, we gotta go.
I don't like these.
You don't have a choice, babe. You've got siblings. Scoosh over. Close the door. Thank you so much. You're going to school. This is actually a rare day when we do not have any sports because one of the sports got transferred to a different day. So we have a free day, which means I'm going to catch up on all my editing. I'm going to catch up on my laundry, and we're going to finish cleaning the little girl's room. We're going to do lots of things. So let's get these girls to school. I've got my coffee in hand, and let's have a good day. All right, I'm done and I love it. I got blonder than I thought I was gonna be. I have not been anywhere near this blonde in so long, and I'm just, this is more me. I'm back. She did an amazing job with like the face framing. I'm starving. I'm gonna go home and relieve the sitter, grab my kids, take them out to lunch because I feel like they deserve it if their schoolwork is done, and we got to go home and get some stuff done. I need to film a podcast episode today, hopefully 2, so we're gonna do that in the afternoon, and then we're gonna make dinner, of course. We're gonna do some healthy ground turkey lettuce wraps, and we got lots of other things to do. Also, I think I said earlier, this is the one day that I do not have sports. So we're going to do a lot of stuff around the house. Yeah, we're going to get things done. And I'm just, I'm back. I missed you. You want to cut your hair? I love you. All right. That's how it looks. Looks
So pretty.
So, thank you, baby. Okay, so chicken 2. So I think the chicken 2 is yours, and then chicken 1 is mine. Thank you. Could you grab, Ace, can you grab some forks over there, please? Thank you. In case you're curious, I got extra white rice with chicken and corn and a little bit of sour cream, guac, and lettuce and onions and peppers.
I got white rice, steak, pinto beans, lettuce, and
Salsa
cheese. So
and sour cream, yeah. Ace Boogie, what'd you get? Steak.
I got chicken, white rice, cheese, corn, guacamole. I also got lettuce and peppers.
Ooh, like bell peppers, yeah. Zay, are you hungies? You want some chippies? Okay.
I got the same thing, but I got no salsa.
Yeah, no salsa.
No salsa. And it says,
You got corn?
oh, I got corn.
Yeah. Always get an extra tortilla on the side for some reason. I don't know why. I like to make my little mini burrito. Ooh, it's hot this time. Chicken? Thank you. Want some chicken? Okay. Ooh, the tortilla is hot. Ooh. shipped. Zayo, come on. You hungry? Here, ship. I don't have fries. You know what? You can take the chip and you can have guacamole. Is it good? Mm-hmm. We're doing a little bit of a park play to get some of this food energy off. Ace and today are going down the sled. Look how cute this is.
Mom, you're just pretty good climbing up this.
Does he? Okay. Oh my goodness. So we're just gonna play a little bit and wait for the girls to get out of school, and then we're gonna go home and do more stuff. I know when I get home I'm gonna have to make some food because I know my husband's gonna be hungry because he just got home from work. So.
High school bus.
High school bus.
Whoa, you got it? Good job, Bubba.
Mama. I go.
Here you go. Woo! Yay. Okay, so I've been working for the past like hour and a half. Zayo fell asleep on me while I'm doing work, and I just let him. I just worked with one hand, got it done. He likes to bury his head in me with his hand in my shirt, of course. That's how you know I have a breastfeeding baby. Well, he's been done breastfeeding, but you know, he's still attached to the Chi-Chi. I made a very simple dinner dish. I have about 2.5 pounds of ground turkey that I just, you know, thoroughly cooked and separated with my separator. And then I threw in some hoisin sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, some minced garlic, some shredded carrots, a little bit of rice vinegar, and a little bit of sriracha. No measuring. Hoisin sauce is the main ingredient, and then just like some soy sauce, some sriracha, some garlic, some, you know, rice vinegar, all that. And then I just, to taste, I added a little bit more, and then it tastes really flavorful and good. And this is like a really good high protein dinner. It's simple. Like a lot of people put like water chestnuts and green onions in it, but I don't have either one of those, so this is gonna be fine. Actually, what I might do is I might crush some peanuts and kind of put that in there for the crunch factor. And then I got some fresh iceberg lettuce heads, so I'm gonna wash these and get ready for lettuce wraps. You know, half of my kids had Chipotle like 2 hours ago, so, you know, this is gonna be enough for tonight. And take the outside out a little bit. What are you doing? You're making it so I can't see the camera can't see me.
Apple.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, babe. It's the water. I'm gonna wash that for you?
No, I watch it.
Okay.
Say what?
Ooh. Good job. You go ahead. You go ahead. You have that, apple boy. This is done. Let me just make sure it's not dry. I don't want it to be dry. Wow. That's actually really good. Okay. And then I know my older kids might put some more sriracha on it. But that is dinner. Easy peasy.
Salad.
No, lettuce wraps.
Ooh, I love lettuce wraps.
Okay, go eat.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay.
I haven't tried this in a while, so.
Yeah, I know we haven't had it in a while, but it's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
sweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm mad.